Hey guys, welcome back to Xposed Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about a module that was finally updated to work with Lollipop. We're talking about XBlast. Let's check it out. So first things first, we need to make sure that the Xposed installer is running on your system. If you have it installed, make sure that it's currently compatible with the latest version of your installer. So there's sometimes updated zip files. I'll give you guys a link in the description. For me, it's Android 5.1.1, so that's one of the zip files I had to flash on my system. The other thing is, obviously, you need to download and install the actual module itself. We'll go back. We'll go to modules list. And then the module that we need to look for is the XBlast tools. Once you select it and turn it on, you're greeted with a list of all the different functionalities that this module could give you for customization. Status bar, notification panel, notification bar, notification peak, visual tweaks, Xloki, multitasking. This is also nice because it includes the ability of including Circle App Launcher, the app bar, or the gesture anywhere to be able to use that for multitasking. You actually have the ability of customizing pulse notification as well as quiet hours and driving mode. Quiet hours are very nice because you're able to customize that so you can turn off your notification or only allow priority notifications at certain times. This is different than when you normally have the just the volume down and turning on priority only. Phone tweaks, Extreme, this is to customize just daydream functionalities, carrier labels, of course, gradient settings for gradient notification colors, volume button tweaks, obviously skip track, skip forward. Build prop tweaks, those are nice functionalities that you normally need to basically learn and understand what you're doing to your build prop. First thing I would say though is before you do any modification, as he instructs us here as a warning, always back up your build prop. Because you can actually do some setting issues and it could cause you to go into a boot loop depending what you change your system setting to. But other than that, he explains to you where the actual build prop file that he's modifying, and he creates a backup of it if you'd like. And it has some nice functionalities for intervals for Wi-Fi scanning. This can save you some battery as well. And the last thing here we have just miscellaneous. These are just basically different functionality. Low battery warning, enable Bluetooth tweaks, enable a screen on delete, and then enable pointer. So this is by default. If you're doing a screen record, it automatically turns on the pointer for you so that you can show the touches. I think it finds more functional for people than when they're watching the video to understand where your finger is touching to be able to initiate a certain action. Last but not least, reboot and soft reboot. Those are self-explanatory. Under the About functionality, which is a really nice section here, you'll notice that there's actually an option here by the developer to give you an understanding of how you use all these tools. There's an XBlast video tutorial. It's a link to a YouTube video made by the developer himself, and you're able to basically launch that and watch, and you can see all the different settings that you're able to do. I've been an XBlast tools fan for a long time, and I've been waiting for a while for it to come to Lollipop, at least 5.1.1 support, and it's finally here. The one thing I want to make sure you guys are aware of, obviously, with anytime you get a collection of modules or a tool or a module that has so many different functionalities like XBlast or Gravity Box, you have to be understanding that sometimes your OS, if you're running a custom ROM, may mirror some of these functionalities. So please be aware what your current ROM can do, and don't try to replicate it within this application. Otherwise, you'll be kind of double stepping it, and it may cause you some issues. So only try to modify the things that you don't have and the things that you're missing from your current ROM, which is one of the main reasons why Xposed is so functional. You can pick what you want to do with it. It doesn't turn everything on. You can go in there and turn them on manually. And there's also, as I mentioned in the video, a video instruction from the developer explaining all the different functionalities, and he links it directly to his YouTube channel. So as usual, I really am very happy that more and more functionalities are coming out and supporting Android 5.1.1, and we'll see how things go in the future. But other than that, like and subscribe to this channel, like subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys think of XBlast. I mean, it's been a while since it came on, and it's really one of those really nice all-in-one modules. And I'll see you guys soon.